Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I am going to share with you a Bengali fish curry recipe, that is Koi fish curry or Koi Macher Jhol. Bengalis love fish and they have different varieties of fish, and koi is one of their favorite. So I am going to share with you the Koi Macher Jhol recipe. They have different version of koi fish, different variations of it, but I am going to share the simplest one which you can make in everyday basis. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now start making Koi Macher Jhol. For that, here in a karai, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Fish tastes absolutely great in mustard oil. When it's nice and hot, I'm adding the fish for frying. I have marinated the fish with turmeric and salt and kept them marinated for 10 minutes. Over high flame, now I'm going to fry them for 2 minutes on each side. Make sure you don't over fry them, then it won't taste good. So 2 minutes on each side is just enough. So after 2 minutes, flip them over on the other side. Koi fish are absolutely delicious and it has a lot of health benefit as well. As you can see, I haven't overcooked them, overfried them. They're not brown, just little seared on both sides. So now take them out on a plate. Now in the same oil, I'm adding half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Let them splutter. Then here I am adding 3 dried whole red chilies which are broken from the middle. Now cook them for 15 seconds till they are aromatic. And do it over low flame so that this masala, all spices, doesn't burn. Next, I am adding onion. Here I am using 1 medium onion which I have finely chopped. And over medium flame I am going to saute them. With the onion, I am also going to add the potatoes. Here I am using 1 medium potatoes which I have sliced lengthwise, as you can see. Now I am going to add salt for taste as well as sweating the onion and potatoes. This will quicken the process. Now mix it, and after 5 minutes we will be back. So after 5 minutes, as you can see, they are quite golden brown. I have added half teaspoon of turmeric powder and fry them for 5 seconds. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, mix them, and then goes the red chilli powder. I am going to use only half a teaspoon of red chilli powder because I have already used dried whole red chilies, and I am also going to use green chilies here. 2 green chilies I have slitted in the middle. This is a very simple and healthy recipe. Next goes half a cup of water, and over high flame I am going to let it come to simmer. Then I am going to braise the masala over high flame for 5 minutes. Braising the masala is very important. This will enhance the taste, and also in the meantime the potatoes will be cooked through. So after 5 minutes we are back, and as you can see, the masala are nicely braised. Now I am going to add the fried koi fish. Be gentle across each and every fish so that they're coated with the braised masala on both the side, and I'm going to do that light-handedly so that the fish doesn't break. So all of them are quite nicely coated. Next I'm going to add water for the gravy. First I'm adding 1 cup of water, but this is not enough. I'm going to make a very light gravy, so I'm going to add some more water so that the fish are dipped into the water. So all total I'm adding 2 cups of water. Now over high flame I'm going to let them simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we are back, and the koi fish curry or Koi Macher Jhol is absolutely ready, as you can see. Now I'm going to turn off the gas and serve it. So our Koi Macher Jhol or koi fish curry is ready to serve. Serve it hot with some hot steamed rice. It goes best with some rice. Do make this simple recipe of Koi Mach and let me know in the comment section about your feedback. Trust me, do make this recipe at least once and you will love it, and also your friends and family going to love it. But don't forget to like, share and comment on the comment section below. Thank you.